This is a used 2008 GMC Envoy, powered by four-wheel drive, six-cylinder engine, and a four-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, trailer hitch, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Brennigan Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 615 South Black River Street, Sparta, Wisconsin 54656.